we are certain that, but we need to address our concerns about this country and the election. What we want is an electoral process that is transparent from beginning to finish. Our demands about the amendment is simple. Let us have an amendment that allows first, let no qualification of people who want to contest the election. And that qualification must be advertised. So if anybody says, I went to this primary school, I went to this secondary school, I went to this university, people are supposed to know about that. And that process has to continue through party primaries and everything. And finally, the election must be transmitted electronically from the polling booth direct. We don't want any point any longer. Let people watch it. That's what is happening in South Africa. That's happening in Ghana. That's happening everywhere. The giant of Africa have refused to be giant in anything. We cannot continue to shame Africa. We now want giant of Africa to be true giant of Africa. And the only way we can do it is to live a transparent, honest life, starting from our election processes.
Okay. So what is the danger if Nigeria goes into election with the current state of the Electoral Act?
You don't need to tell us the danger. The danger is saw it in 2023. The danger was clear. We have suffered the danger. That's what we have suffered before. We don't want any glitch again. Glitch is finished. We want things to come happen. No more glitch. No more glitch.
All right.
The danger was clear. We have suffered the danger. That's what we have suffered before. We don't want any glitch again. Yes, glitch is finished. We want things to come happen. Yes. No more glitch. No more glitch. Akpabio.
Another question.
Must come. Hello, sir. Must come. Can you talk to us? We are now AIT. We are live. Focus. I met you on. Can you talk to us?
Yes.
Talk to us now. We are on live now. So what's going on now? We just see you coming in and join the protest.
We are just. You can see the demand. You see the demand. All we are doing is a peaceful process to demand the right things be done. Our country cannot continue this way, where we have become negative in everything. We must now do the right thing. And that right is that small countries of the world are trying to do things right. You saw how even Ghana had to recall the High Commissioner because of he did the wrong thing during primary. And then the giant of Africa is the one that wants to do things wrongly. What is wrong in just a simple process of transmitting votes properly. Simple transmission. It's not a difficult thing. Allow the elections to go through the normal process. Whoever wins will accept. So why are you bringing us of confusion?
I want to ask you a question. Last week they protested, and last night the Senate issued a statement saying that they are going to have an emergency plenary sitting tomorrow. Doesn't that make a difference?
That's what we are trying to make sure they make that difference.
So are you coming here tomorrow to protest as well?
No. When they sit tomorrow, after they are sitting tomorrow,
but the political parties are lagging behind. It's as if it's the Nigerian situation that is working. They are working towards this action. We are protesting. I'm just saying for the first time to join the protest.
We are doing that. That's what it's good you are seeing me.
Well, it's always the first time for everyone.
Can you hear me? Are you doing that to us? Yeah, I'm here as a Nigerian, and you can't have. We are all different people, different organizations coming together, and we are all citizens. Some people just came in on their own. There are people who said they came in from Adamawa. They just saw that there's something going on, and they decided to come in today. And some people are just passing and they're standing. Just to say to everyone,